So made it to the tower, and we're about to go start the climb. Show you what we're going to. We can almost touch the clouds. We is way up top here. So let's go see the view. Let's read about it. The Sounding Knob Fire Tower. In 1934, the Civilian Conservation Corps under President Franklin D. Roosevelt constructed the CCC Road, now surrounding Knob Road. To gain access to surrounding Knob, 3 miles south of this point on Jack Mountain, for the construction of a fire tower at an elevation of 4,400 feet. In the decades that followed, the tower served Highland County as a safeguard against fire and as a recreational destination. There was a small one-room cabin near the base of the tower where the fire watchman would stay at night. Creepy pasta, y'all. Fire tower watchman would stay at night. And where am I at? I lost myself. Oh, communication from the tower to Monterey was by telephone line. The tower ceased being used for fire observation in the early 1960s when aircraft became more practical for that purpose in 2002. The state of Virginia, which owns Sounding Knob and the surrounding forest, ordered the rusted and abandoned tower to be dismantled and sold for scrap. However, through the combined efforts and vision of Highland citizens Stephen F. Good, Virginia DOF Forester Albert J. John Wright, and concerned citizens of Highland County who contributed to the Save the Tower Fund, the tower was dismantled and the parts preserved by Mr. Good in the hopes that the tower might someday be restored. In 2016, Hamel D. Skip Jones Jr. purchased the tower parts from Mr. Good and worked with him to restore and erect the tower on this land, elevation 4,000 feet, which has been the Jones family since 1913. The restored tower was dedicated July 8th, 2017. Operation from sunup to sunset. No trespassing after sunset. Climbing historic risk, steep, narrow, slippery steps, handrails, and it was a rainy day. And lower oxygen levels at 4,000 feet elevation. Strenuous activity, climbing assessment called shortness of breath. Climbing certificate rules must not be under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication of any type. Must be accompanied by an adult. All right, let's do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. My forest fire. Oh, they steep. Oh, that was just one. My legs hurt already. Ooh-wee. I wasn't counting them. I should count. It's 111 to be exact. So how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I got less than 100 left. Yeah, I'm short of breath. It's dinner up here. Activate hoodie mode. Almost there. It's windy up high. It's different up here. I see the views from here. There's cars here, no people here. That's weird. Alright. I got binoculars. We were in the top of the tower, folks. Very windy. Oh, this shit's shaking, son. Oh my, it's like God's light. See it? Shine that thing on this wobbly thing. Alright, this thing has been here for how long? So I don't think today's the day. So I'm cool. It ain't letting up. Yeah, the car's way down there. See, there's two other cars, no people. There's a truck with no person. What are people doing parking here and disappearing? Where do they go? I can see everything. All right, still out of breath a little bit. That looks like town. Well, what town? That's that building. Okay, so that is Franklin. That is Franklin. Where's the BP? Right there. There's the Great Value. That's not the Great Value, is it? Harrisonburg is right that way. That's where we went into town at to get the food. So let me zoom in, I can tell. So when you come in, right, you look for, there's a BP over here. Yeah, that was the place I saw. I thought it was a school, but like a place where people work. So, I forget what that was. No, that wasn't BP. Okay, I might be having the wrong town, folks. I think it did. Morrisville or Morris, where we at? I'm about to break out these binoculars. I am 4,000 feet into the air, and it is very windy. Almost a mile up in the air. It's crazy to be this high up and still look at the ground and look, it's only 90 feet down. Only. That's a long ass way, by the way. But in put things in perspective, that's 4,000 feet down there. So, like, I can hang glide. Oh, excuse me. I can hang glide from here to there. The wind did that, yo. That wasn't me. Is hang gliding a thing? Talk to myself, I'm scared. Am I scared? I'm gonna take these glasses off for a second. I'm gonna prop the phone up. Let me see if I can see where these people went. I got duty tonight. So they would be up in here like this. Oh, they would stay in the cabin and climb up the steps. Clear on this front. That mountain is higher, so that is the highest mountain in, I think it's Virginia. And it has a name, but or the highest mountain in this area, shall I say. Smoke something. But I can tell because it's high. It looks higher than I am right now. No, but back there, whoa. This mountain, first of all, there's a lot of mountains. Between the baby mountains and the big joint. Yeah, the wind sound like it's talking. Make sure you don't step and fall down the steps, dude. That would be disrespectful. There's no phone up here. This thing is rocking. When the wind comes to rocking, wait, the wind come to knocking, this thing starts to rocking. Oh my, I gotta get a picture of that. It's so angelic. Look at that, it's like the head and the, you know, the, oh wait. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? Elijah, Elijah, send down fire. Bless my altar. Pour me water. Holy water. If I do drop my phone, I'll be mad. I'll be mad. I'll be mad. Okay, I can't do it. I can't do both. Now we're doing too much. Okay. All right, I'm gonna end this video. Salute.